Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to you all on the IMS Gate Academy platform. Just do reply guys. Audio video is clear. In today's class we are going to start. We already started in the last class energy and power signal, and this is the energy and power signal part 2. So we are going to continue energy and power signal concept. Vedehi, good morning beta, good morning. So let's start today's class dear student. In the last class we have seen some important basic signals energy calculation. So last class was only dedicated for energy calculation. In today's class we will also discuss about the power calculation. So what we have noted for the energy calculation, all the absolute bounded signals are always referred as an energy signal, whereas all the unbounded signals will become neither energy nor power signal. Now student, we have also noted a signal which maintain a finite magnitude over the finite duration will be referred as an energy signal. And we have calculated and we have made one short trick also, e to the power minus at ut. Good morning Reddy, good morning Thiru, good morning Vedahi. Chaliye. So dear student, now I am telling ki exponential signal energy is what? So e to the power minus at ut energy will be 1 upon 2a and area will be 1 by a. Similarly, if I talk about e to the power plus at u minus t, the area will be 1 by a and energy will become 1 by 2a. E to the power minus a mod of t, area will be 2 by a and energy will be 1 by a. Good morning Bharat, good morning. So in the first 2 or 3 minutes, I am just revising all the concept that we have discussed in the last class. Manik Roy Chaudhary, good morning Manik, good morning, how are you? After a long time, I am very happy to see you in the chat box. Yes Manik, I hope you are good. Chaliye. So dear student, after that we have also seen the rectangular signal area. If the magnitude is capital A and the width is B, then the area will be width into height, so A into B. As far as energy calculation is concerned, again we have made a short trick, that is directly A square into B. Wherever you will have a rectangular nature, you can directly apply A square into B only. As far as triangular signal is concerned, we know that the area is nothing but half into width into height, and as far as energy calculation of a triangular pulse is concerned, it will be A square by 3 into B. It will be A square by 3 into B. Yes. So student, you just need to tell me which was the last slide of last class. I think this is a gifted question for you. If such type of question will come, my classroom student can solve easily within 5 seconds, I think. Bolo bhai, Vedahi, I think 5 seconds is sufficient or not? I think 5 seconds sufficient, beta. Tell me what is the energy of this? Arey sir, it is very easy. Why easy sir? Because we know that how to construct the waveform, signal waveform by observing the mathematical equation. So ut minus 1, it's always very easy to make a diagram from the rectangular pulse equation. So its area is also 1 and energy is also 1 square into 1 is nothing but 1 joule. So that is why we are talking about ki it's a finite duration and finite magnitude. If I will make this duration infinite, if I will make the magnitude remain finite, magnitude to finite, but if the time duration will become infinite, then this signal will be no more energy signal. This signal will become power signal. So this is a energy signal, this is a power signal. I hope you are getting the difference. It means, sir, the magnitude should be finite in both. Magnitude should be finite in both, because if magnitude will become infinite, signal will become unbounded, and for the unbounded signal we cannot find energy and power. It is NENP signals. Is it clear? Now student, my next question is this: If the energy of signal Ft is capital E, then find out the energy of minus F80 plus B. Okay. Sir, I am EC student Kushal. I choose CS in GATE paper 2. Can I join IIT for MTech in CS? Yes, Kushal, you can definitely join IIT. Definitely join IIT for MTech in CS, because many students, they have changed their branch. Even those who have completed their BTech in mechanical, they are also doing their masters in computer science branch. So it is definitely possible, but you have to write the GATE exam accordingly. Okay, है ना? So even many students, those are from EC, they have some basic knowledge of C language, C, है ना? Basic, if you know the basic data structure and all, if it is your choice and if it is your interest, then definitely you can appear for GATE exam in CS as well. Okay, beta, and as you, so this is my suggestion to you. It is definitely possible. Okay, chali. Now I will not distract and we'll just come to the topic, beta. So here the question is, I will take examples also for the same, and we'll do a simple formula. By using the formula also we can derive this. So you need to tell me what is the energy of Ft. So the energy formula of Ft is nothing but minus infinity to infinity mod of Ft whole square dt. This is nothing but the energy formula, yeah. And that is the only given, sir. Ki sir, if Ft signal is having the energy, capital E, then it is asking for F minus At plus B energy. So if I am looking for ki E dash the energy for F of minus At plus B whole square dt. Now, if I am doing some modification here, let me take ki sir minus At plus B is equal to the other parameter. Parameter can be X, parameter can be lambda, parameter can be U. So, I am taking the parameter X, okay. So, it means if I will differentiate both sides, it will become A into dt, but as far as constant differentiation is concerned, it is 0 and it is dx. Because right now my limit is in time dt, now the next limit will be in x. So if I will put the lower limit, then my lower limit is what, dear student? If I will put my lower limit, then what is my lower limit? Tell me. My lower limit minus infinity, in place of this I need to put minus infinity. So minus minus plus infinity. So lower limit become plus infinity. Upper limit infinity, if I will place here, minus infinity plus b is nothing but minus infinity. So the limit going to be changed. Here I should write minus At plus b is nothing but x. So mod of fx ka whole square, and dt is what from here? From here dt is nothing but dx upon a. From here dt is nothing but minus dx upon a. It means you can write here dx upon a, and minus sign I am taking here. And do you know, student, in the integration, if I will change the upper limit and lower limit, I should put the negative sign in front. It means I have already minus sign here. It will become plus. So the limit goes to minus infinity to infinity mod of fx whole square dx, and in front we should have 1 by a. In front what we should have, guys? 1 by a. I hope this part is clear to you. I hope each and every student just let me know if this is clear to you. And do you know what is this remaining part? Sir, it is itself representing the energy E part. It means the energy E dash is nothing but E upon A only. So now what is the conclusion? The conclusion is, if Ft energy is E, then F of minus At plus B having the energy E dash is nothing but E by A. E by A. It means the time shifting does not affect the energy. Only scaling factor affect the energy. I hope it is clear. Vedahi Bharat. I hope you guys completed this, beta. We can also relate with the rectangular pulse example also. Okay, so right now I am making a box here, and we are writing a note that energy calculation is, we should make a note. And we should write the statement, sir, if x of t is having the energy, x of t or f of t energy E, then x of minus At plus B having the energy of E by mode of A. Why I am writing mode of A? Because it is independent to time reversal also. Okay, if I will multiply with this, कि sir minus x of minus AT plus B having the energy, then it is nothing but again E by mode of A. Because it is also independent to time reversal because we have a square of magnitude. So if you are talking about the negative value, ultimately it will become positive because we have a square of mode. Now, if I will take minus k into x of minus AT plus B, what is the energy of this? Then you must say that, sir, whatever in the amplitude it will having square. So, k square into E upon mode of A. So, this is what, dear student, important note. So, now you can make a note that energy calculation is independent to, we can write here, energy calculation is independent to, energy calculation is, tell me guys, energy calculation is independent to, energy calculation is independent to what? Sir, it is independent to time shift. Energy calculation is independent to time shift. Energy calculation is independent to time reversal. Energy calculation is also independent to amplitude reversal. It is, tell me what? Time shifting independent, time reversal dependent, amplitude reversal independent. Yes or no, guys? So you can say that it is only depending on, it only depends on, bolo bachcha, it only depends on, sir, time scale and amplitude scaling. Time scaling and amplitude scaling. Amplitude scaling. Time scaling and amplitude scaling. All of you guys just complete this note, and once you will complete, you should reply, beta. Bharat or Vedahi, do reply, beta. My voice is loud and clear or not? पूरा अच्छे से वॉइस आ रहा है मेरा, ऐसा धीरे धीरे वॉइस तो नहीं आ रहा, पूरा परफेक्ट वॉइस आ रहा है, वॉइस में कोई दिक्कत नहीं, ऑडियो वीडियो परफेक्ट है, परफेक्ट. चलिए बताइए, whether this box is completed, बेटा, you have completed this box or not? Shall we go for next now? Shall we go for next now? Yes, sir. Okay. So, student, we can also relate with the example that if we have a rectangular pulse just like this, 0 to 4, here is 2, and if I am talking about the energy of xt, if I am talking about the energy of xt, then you must say that this is a square into b, sir. So 2 का whole square कितना हो गया? 4. So you must write like that, a square into b, like this. So 2 का whole square 4, 4 just 16 is the energy, sir. So if xt is having the energy 16, then examiner can ask the energy of minus t minus 4. Second, examiner can ask the energy of minus t plus 4 by 9, like this. Okay. Third is, examiner can ask the energy of x of minus 2t of plus 5. Yeah. So can you please tell me what is the energy of these guys? Can you please tell me what is the energy of these three? 1, 2, 3. If energy of xt is 16, then can you please tell me? Now it is very easy for you, I know. I know Vedayi and Bharat can easily solve in fraction of seconds. You can easily solve this. I am expecting correct answer in the chat box. I am expecting correct answer in chat box. Yes. For the first is 16 itself, sir. Kya baat hai? Very good. As expected, Vedayi is correct only. Shabash. Because it is independent to time reversal and time shifting. Ho. Next is minus x minus t plus shifting independent, time reversal, amplitude reversal, again 16, sir. For second one is also 16, sir. Very nice. Bharat, you are getting same or not, beta? Bharat. Vedayi says that third is 32. Okay, let me check. Now tell me, beta, first of all, x of minus 2 factor is there. It means if xt is having the energy 16, then x of minus 2t plus 5 is nothing but mode of 2 से divide करेंगे, sir. And here because the amplitude is minus 2, so we should make the minus 2 ka whole square, so 4 will become here. So it means here 2 2 ja 4 and 16 2 ja 32. Absolutely perfect, beta Vedayi. Shabash, very nice. So all the three questions are correct only. Now I am going for next. I think as far as energy calculation is concerned, now you will don't have any single doubt whether whether it is affected by type shifting or reversal or what. Okay, chali. So now let's start today's class. I think these 2 or 3 questions we have already completed. I think this was the last question of last class. Today's class I am going to start with this question, and this question I am expecting from you all, my dear students. And I know you all are eligible to solve this, and I know you all can solve this very easily within given time. So I am giving you proper time. Try to give your true attempt. All of you try to give your true attempt. Solve this question. I will feel happy if you will give me exact answer of this question. It's a look like a energy signal concept, but actually here mathematical representation of signal waveform is required. If your basic foundation is strong, then you can easily solve this question. You can apply the short trick that I taught you in the last class. I am also planning to start the ISRO PYQ series. So you just tell me in evening 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. time is suitable to you or not. We'll have a ISRO PYQs of control system, signal system and digital electronics. We'll have a mixed questions. But first of all, you should reply for this question, and after that you should also reply if you will start the ISRO PYQ series, what should be the time? Because in the morning we have a signals class 11 to 12. So are you comfortable in evening 6 to 7 for question practice for PYQs or PSUs? So right now no one has replied. I am still waiting for your answer, Bharat and Vedehi. क्या बात है यार. Just clap for Vedehi Singh. Just clap for Vedehi. They absolutely got the perfect answer in the first attempt. Shabash. Very nice. Here is a scope of mistake in calculation also sometime. So Bharat is requesting sir control system के मैराथन करा दीजिए सर, इसरो में रिवीजन में हेल्प करेंगे. डेफिनेटली भारत रिवीजन भी करवा देंगे, है ना. जैसे ही एग्जाम का डेट जो है, एग्जाम डेट अनाउंस हो चुका है क्या अभी, या एग्जाम डेट अनाउंस नहीं हुआ है? वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इन द मंथ ऑफ जुलाई और अगस्त. इफ अनाउंस हो चुका है तो मेरे को डेट भी लिखना, उससे जस्ट पहले हम रिवीजन भी करेंगे. बट फ्रॉम इमीडिएट बेसिस आई एम फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट वीक और आफ्टर 2 or 3 days आई एम प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट 153 बेटा भारत, 153 is correct. So I am planning to start the previous year questions of ISRO exam, ISRO scientist exam, and we will have a mixed questions, like one question will come from control, one from signals, one from digital, then immediately signal question will come. So we'll have a jumbled question. Okay. So bolo zara reply karo Veday, Bharat, all of you beta, are you comfortable in evening? Can we plan evening 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. ISRO PYQ? So it will important for the GATE aspirants also, because you will have a pattern of questions of PSUs, and in ISRO exam the syllabus is also same just like GATE, so you will have a GATE level questions there only. Chaliye, so meanwhile you can reply, and meanwhile I am also making the diagram for the same. Okay, yes. So all of you now do reply fast. Actually the signal is starting from 4 of t plus 3. It means we should start the signal from -3 location, and we'll have a magnitude +4. After that, as soon as this location will come, -1 location will come, we will have increment of +2, so we'll reach at 6. Now as soon as the +1 location will come, you will decrease by 3 magnitude, so you will reach at +3, because 6 minus 3 is +3 only, and this location is 1 only, +1. Now as soon as this +2 location will come, there will be a decrement of -5. Still you are at 3 location, and when you will travel -5, you will reach at -2. -2, sorry. Now as far as +4 location will come, there is the addition of +6 step, So it means right now you are at -2, and you will travel +6, you will reach at +4. You will reach at +4, yes. And exactly at the 6th location, when you will down -4, you will reach at this 6th location with this. Yeah. Now all of you students just do reply fast. Is this completed? Yes or no? Now you have a first region, you have a second region, you have a third region, you have a fourth region, you have a fifth region. Now tell me guys, what is the energy of this? All of you pyare bachcho, just tell me what is the energy of this. Energy for the first signal a square into b. A square का मतलब ये हो गया 4 whole square into -3 से -1 मतलब 2, ये प्लस a square into b मतलब अगेन ये हो गया 6 square into -1 से +1 ये 2, ये. The next is 3 whole square, into 1 से लेके 2 का डिस्टेंस 1 प्लस -2 का होल स्क्वायर, इट मीन्स 2 का होल स्क्वायर वी शुड राइट into the distance between 2 to 4 is 2 plus, and again we are having 4 का whole square, a square into b मतलब 4 से लेके 6 का distance 2 है. So ultimately what you will have, 4 16 2 जा 32 plus 6 का whole square 36 into 2 72 plus 9 plus 2 का whole square 4 2 जा 8 plus again you are having 16 2 जा 32. ये. So you will have 32 plus 32, it will become 64, 64 plus 8 72, 72 plus 72 144, and 144 plus 9 only, so it will become exactly 153. Shabash. So 153 is the absolute correct answer. 153 is the absolutely correct answer. Shabash. Chali. I think this question also we have solved in the last class only. This question also we have solved in the last class itself. In the last class itself we have solved these questions. Yes. Chali. So now I think we should go for next. Yes. So student, let me take the other signal as a xt equal to. If my signal is just like this, ki at equal to a sin omega 0 t, and it is from time t equal to 0 to b, and if t is greater than b and less than 2b, it will be 0. If the signal is just like this, and where it is given that, if it is given that the fundamental time period is nothing but 2b, fundamental time period is 2b, it means the ideal sinusoidal signal is look like this. It means the ideal sinusoidal signal is look like this, which is having the fundamental time period 2b. It means here is b and here is 2b, and here is the amplitude a or minus a. So this is the fundamental time period 2b. This is the ideal signal. But right now, if I am talking about only this, specifically for this functional representation, if I will construct the diagram, then from 0 b equal to 0 to 2b, b to 2b, it is 0 only. It means the sinusoidal nature will be only carry for 0 to b region. It means it is asking for only one lobe. Yeah. However, it is second lobe will come, but it is 0 actually. So the 0 here is b, and here can be 2b, but b to 2b 0. So now tell me student, if signal is only just like this, rest all are 0, then here is a, then actually this is your x of t. Now you should tell me whether this signal is working as an energy signal or power signal. By observing the diagram itself, you can comment whether the signal is working as energy or power. By observing the diagram itself, you can comment. Yes. You should reply Beta Bharat or Vedahi. By observing the diagram itself, you can reply. Chali. Energy signal, very good. Why? Because it is a finite duration and finite magnitude. So that is why it is a energy signal, sir. Shabash. Now tell me beta, mathematically if I will apply the energy formula, then I should write here minus infinity to infinity mod of xt whole square dt. Agree or not? Yes sir, agree. It means if I will apply the formula here, the formula actually will become 0 to b, formula will become 0 to b because, and the nature is nothing but a into sine of omega 0 t into dt, but iska whole square. Yeah. Now because I am having less space here, I am going to the next slide. So till here I think you already completed. Till this equation you have note down already in your notes. Now I am going for the next slide. So for the next slide, I am having this expression, sir, from 0 to b, you are having a square outside only, and here is sine square omega t actually. Actually here sine square omega 0 t into dt. And we know that the basic formulas, so a square here, integration 0 to b here, sine square I can write 1 minus 2 cos of omega 0 t upon 2a. Will I write like this or not beta? Haan ya na? Yes sir, we can write. So now you can divide in two parts. So first part can be a square by 2 into integration of 0 to b into 1 into dt whole bracket close, and minus here also you can write 0 to b and integration of bolo cos of 2 omega 0 t into dt sir, ye, and whole bracket close, ye. So ultimately we have taken outside a square b, that is ultimately multiplied with both term. When you will integrate here, you will actually exactly get t0 to b upper limit minus lower limit. Cos integration is nothing but sine. So it will be sine of 2 omega 0 t upon sine ka minus cos, cos ka sine. I hope you are comfortable in integration differentiation. Yes. So 0 to b here. Oh ho, maza aa gaya sir. Now can you please tell me what is omega 0? Because the fundamental time period is given to be. Can you please tell me what is omega 0? Sir, omega 0 fundamental time period is nothing but 2 pi upon capital T. So that is why omega 0 is nothing but 2 pi upon 2b. So 2 to cancel. So that is why omega 0 is nothing but pi upon b. Oh ho, maza aa gaya sir. Ye omega 0 is nothing but pi by b. Now while applying the limit you can put it also. So it will be a square by 2. Here is b minus 0 actually first term minus. When you will apply here, so it will be sine of. It will be sine of acha. Sine of 2 into omega 0 is pi by b, acha, upper limit b, acha, upon 2 omega 0 to hai sabash, minus sine 0. And do you know what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0 only. And do you know b cancel side, 2 pi is also 0. अच्छा, ये भी 0, ये भी 0. इसका मतलब ये complete 0. Yes sir. And b, so this is the only answer. इसका मतलब this is the only answer. हाँ. इसका मतलब this is the only answer. A square by 2 into b. शाबाश. A square by 2 into b. Is it clear or not? Whether Bharat, is it clear or not? So now what is the conclusion? The conclusion is whenever this signal is come and asking for the energy, now this is called short trick, a square by 2 into b. Yeah. Now this is called a short trick, a square by 2 into b. Now you can say that you have an amazing opportunity to save your time. You have amazing opportunity to save your time. Yes. All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? All of you guys, please do reply fast. Shall we go for next? Bolo yes or wait. If you are already in the last slide, then you can reply for the last slide. If you need more time to make a classroom note, then you should reply. If you need more time, then you should reply without hesitation. If you need more time, then do reply. Or it is completed. Tell me N or W. W stands for wait, N stands for next. So now shall we go for next? Next, shabash. So student, as far as energy is concerned, it is a square by 2 into b. But if I am looking for the area, then what it will be? If I am looking for the area for the same signal, then don't you think as far as area calculation is concerned, the limit will be 0 to b and the signal nature is nothing but a sine of omega 0 t into dt, and where omega 0 is pi by b. pi by b. 2 pi by 2b, 2 cancel. So when you will simply integrate it, because in the area calculation we have to just integrate. So here is 0 to b, a is outside, the side integration is nothing but minus cos of. So I directly put here omega, instead of omega 0, I am putting pi by b into t upon pi by b. I hope it is clear to you guys, because now I am already integrating. So a is already outside, here is minus, sine integration is minus cos pi by b into t upon pi by b, because omega 0 is this, and apply the integration upper limit, lower limit. So you will ultimately get, now some students are very innocent, they are cancelling, a to a cancel हो गया. अरे बच्चों ऐसा नहीं है यार, here a stands for area, here a stands for area, I am writing area, okay, no problem. The a is the amplitude here, yes, some students are very innocent, they are directly putting a cancel this. Oh. So now tell me बच्चों why? Cos by, अच्छा. So if I am taking minus and outside the bracket, pi by b is denominator only. If I will put this, then it will become actually cos of, b get cancel outside, will be cos of pi minus cos of 0. Bracket close. Do reply fast, guys. So ultimately what you will get? Ultimately you will get minus a outside the bracket. Cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 upon pi by b. Whole bracket close. So ultimately what you will get? You will get here minus ka a, you will get here minus ka 2 upon, you will get pi upon b. So ultimately minus minus plus. So it will be 2a upon pi into b. I hope it is clear to you guys. So it will be twice into a into b upon pi. So it will be twice into a into b upon pi. बोलो हाँ या ना? How many of you are getting the area of this? How many of you are getting the area of this? Tell me. How many of you are getting the area of this? To reply fast. Please let me know. Shall we go for next? चलिए. So student, if I will make a summary box, if I will make a summary box for you, then it will be twice AB upon pi. Okay, twice AB upon pi. Now what is a summary box? If I will make a summary box for all the 3 diagrams. So if I will make a first diagram for you, then first is my rectangular pulse. First is my rectangular pulse. Second is my triangular pulse. Second one is my triangular pulse like this. And third one is my sinusoidal lobe from 0 to b. This is a. Let me take 0 to b. This is a. Let me take this is a. This is 0 to b. So if I will talk about its area and energy. If I will talk about this area and energy. If I will talk about this area and energy. So here I will write area. Here I will write energy. Here I will write area, energy. Area and energy. So do you know what is the area of this? So area is very easy, sir. It is A into B. What is the energy? Energy is nothing but, sir, A square into B. Area is nothing but triangular half into width into height. Half into width into height. Yeah. What is the energy? Energy is nothing but A square by 3 into B. Similarly, what is the area of this? The area is nothing but, क्या आया था उधर? Twice AB upon pi. बोलो बोलो बच्चों, twice AB into pi. Twice AB upon pi, sir. What about the energy? Energy is nothing but, sir, A square by 2 into B. So this is the amazing short trick, my dear student. This is a short way to solve the gate question that you will never find in textbook, reference book. This is a summary slide. This is a summary slide. Yes or no? Yes or no, प्यारे बच्चों? Just do reply. Shall we go for next? बोलो ना. चलिए. Now I am going for the next. Shall we go for next now, bachcho? Do reply fast. Now, can you please find out? My question is, find out the energy and power of this signal. It is cos of pi t. It is cos of pi t, and which multiplied with the signal ut dot u of minus t plus 4. Yeah. Can you find out this? Can you find out the energy and power of this? Do reply fast. Let me take the magnitude is 2. ये लीजिए. Let me take, I am just making a random question for you. I am just making a random question for you. Can you please tell me what is the energy of this signal? What is the energy? Can you please calculate it? Hello. Ira Tejendra, I am your student, sir. Yes, beta, how are you? I hope you are good. I am audible. Yes. Ira Tejendra, how are you? I hope you good. I hope you are good. Chaliye. Anybody who is trying this? 5. Fine. Okay. Very nice. Chaliye. All of you guys, I am very happy to see you here. So you are attended online class or offline class or where? You are from which city? You have attended my online classes or YouTube classes or offline classes? Which class? Chaliye. So I am asking this question to you guys. Yeah. Vedai, Bharat. Very nice, Tejendra. So what is your experience, your true experience? You should write in the comment section of the videos. It is a playlist, so in the first video comment section, you should write your feeling. You should invest 3 or 4 minute time and you should write whatever your actual feeling. जो भी आपका सच्चा एक्सपीरियंस रहा वो जरूर शेयर करें एक बार कमेंट सेक्शन में, so that future aspirants को पता चले. हाँ, that was, but here in the IMS Gate Academy I am telling, on the IMS Gate Academy YouTube channel we have started Signal and System again. IMS Gate Academy platform. So here in this Signals and System playlist, you can share. Shabash, mere shero, shabash. I am very happy with Vedahi reply. Shabash, Vedahi. So what do you mean by, sir? UT curve is just like this, sir. This is my UT signal with 0 to T, sir. And the magnitude is +1, sir. And if I talk about this, guys, sir, it is U of minus T plus 4. It is U of minus T plus 4. Yeah. Then negative signal is coming like this and like this, sir. 0 to 4. Yeah. With respect to T. Minus T plus 4. So when you will multiply, exactly you will get a rectangular pulse. When you will multiply this, you will exactly get a rectangular pulse from 0 to 4. Oh, ho. Yes. This is ut dot u of minus t plus 4. Yay. And do you know what about cos? What about cos signal? So if I will make a small diagram, I will make a cos nature just like this. Yay. And do you know fundamental time period? Fundamental time period T is nothing but 2 pi upon omega 0. What is omega 0? Omega 0 is pi. So pi cut gaya. So fundamental time period तो 2 है. Fundamental time period 2. It means here we are having 2. It means here we are having 4. And do you know, sir, this is the curve of 2. 2 means 2 or minus 2. So this is the curve of 2 cos of pi t only. Yeah. But if I will multiply this curve and this curve, I will have a final curve which is having the final xt curve. The final xt curve will be look like this. It will limit till, it will only limit till 4 value. Yeah. So this is the 4 value, this is the 2 value, this is the 0, this is plus 2, this is minus 2. And you know that still just before this slide I told you how to calculate the energy by using the short trick. Oh, very nice, very nice Tajendra, thank you so much. आग लगा देंगे सर, काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में, शाबाश। ये हमारा बच्चों बहुत ही फेमस एक डायलॉग रहा करता था पहले, जरूर आप पूरे इंडिया में बताइए सबको। चलो बच्चों जरा बताओ, ये है फर्स्ट, ये है सेकंड, ये है थर्ड, और ये है हाफ फोर्थ, टोटल फोर्थ हो गया, टोटल इसमें 4 हो गया, हाँ या ना। 4 इंटू व्हाट इज द एनर्जी ऑफ वन लॉब, व्हाट इज द एनर्जी ऑफ वन लॉब, वन लॉब एनर्जी इज ए स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू बी। ए स्क्वायर का मतलब ये हो गया 2 स्क्वायर, ए स्क्वायर बाई 2 इंटू बी, बी मतलब होगा सर विड्थ, बी मतलब क्या होगा विड्थ, ये हाफ। तो अगर ओवरऑल फंडामेंटल टाइम पीरियड 2 है तो एक का विड्थ तो हाफ 1 है, ये 1 है ये, तो 2 से ये 2 टाइम कटा तो आंसर आया 2 का उसका फुट 8। क्या बात है यार, करेक्ट आंसर इज 8, करेक्ट आंसर इज 8, 8 8 8। So start discrete this month, complete discrete part also. We'll complete the discrete part also, no problem. Morning 11 AM we are having classes on weekdays, not on weekend. Weekend we don't have class. Saturday, Sunday we don't have class. Today is Saturday, we have class today. But because today in this week on Thursday we don't have any class, so that is why on the compensation of it, Saturday is class. Otherwise we are having the classes from weekdays. Okay guys, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like this. Morning 11 AM. Do reply fast beta. Shall we go for next now? Shall we go for next? प्यारे बच्चों, just do reply fast. Is it completed? Is this completed or not? Yes sir, completed. चलिए. So now I am going for the next. So now we should talk about the power calculation. Okay. Now we should talk about power. So if I am writing the power calculation, a signal, the power signal is nothing but total energy upon total time. Total energy upon total time. Yeah. This is nothing but the power calculation. And do you know the energy formula, guys? If I will write the energy formula just like this, कि sir limit capital T tends to infinity and minus T to plus T mod of xt whole square dt, mod of xt whole square dt. Because here T is only in the limit, so I can remove the limit and I can directly apply minus infinity to infinity also. And this is the only energy formula. Energy formula is nothing but minus infinity to infinity mod of xt whole square dt. So, but when it will become power, this energy will become as it is. So, I am writing here as it is, limit T tends to infinity from minus T to plus T mod of xt whole square dt, mod of xt whole square dt. And upon what we are writing, the overall time period, the limit difference. What is the limit difference? Minus T2 plus T, it is 2T. So this is nothing but the power formula, guys. This is nothing but the power formula. This is the power calculation. This is the power calculation. We can also write a signal which maintain, a signal which maintain finite magnitude, a signal which maintain finite magnitude over finite duration is called power signal. Is called power signal. If I talk about the examples, then examples is UT. Examples is only a DC signal. Example is sin omega 0 t, cos omega 0 t, like this. Because these are the infinite duration signal, but the magnitude is finite only. I hope it is clear to you guys. So if I will simply apply the power formula, for the calculation of step signal. So for the power signal, we should also make a note. For the power signal, power is finite for power signals. And how to identify power signal and energy signal? By just observing the signal waveform, by just observing the mathematical equation, you can comment whether the signal is power or energy, whether the signal is power signal or energy signal. Yes or no? Now here for power signal, your power calculation will be finite only and your energy calculation will be infinite. Yeah. Similarly for energy signal, energy is finite but power is zero. Yes or no beta? Yes. So these are the basics that you need to remember as far as power calculation is concerned. We can also find the relation between the RMS value and power. What is the relation? Relation is nothing but, sir, RMS is equivalent to root of power. So if anyone will ask about the root mean square value, it means you have to calculate the power only and finally you make a square root to comment on the root mean square. Yeah. To comment on the root mean square. All of you guys just do reply. Is it completed, beta? Is this completed? Shall we go for next? Shall we go for next? Yes. So my next question now, find power of unit step signal UT or AUT. So if I will simply apply the power formula, it says that sir, limit t tends to infinity from minus t to plus t mod of xt ka whole square dt upon the difference is nothing but 2t. So this is my total power. Guys. Now here what you will get? Student AUT, it means when you will apply the limit, you will get limit t tends to infinity. The lower limit is 0, upper limit is capital T. And here you will write a square into dt because ut is nothing but 1 only. And upon में क्या है तो upon में sir upon में तो 1 upon 2t तो बाहर ही है sir 1 upon 2t बाहर ही. So if I will again integrating this, so t tends to infinity 1 upon 2t is waiting outside the bracket. When you will taking a square outside, so inside the bracket you will get only one integration is t 0 to t upper limit. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit, so you will get limit t tends to infinity a square upon 2t into t minus 0. So t get cancelled out. So ultimately your power is nothing but a square by 2. It means if anyone will ask about what is the power of ut, it is nothing but a square by 2 half. What is the power of AUT? Now? So you will say that the AUT power magnitude also is square. Yes, a square by 2. Is this clear, beta? Is this crystal clear? Pyare bachcho? Just do reply fast. So as far as your unit step signal power is concerned, you can easily calculate the step power is nothing but half or a square by 2. Clear, sir? Very good, beta. Very good for instant reply. Shabash. I think you all are creating the notes parallelly in the live. Shabash. Now, bachcho, I am going for the next. If anybody will ask about the energy of a DC signal, the next question is find power of signal A only. A matlab DC. It means again you are applying the power formula, so remains same. It is just like the previous limit t tends to infinity minus t to plus t and mod of xt whole square dt and upon में 2t. ये है formula. Now just apply the formula, so you will get limit capital T tends to infinity 1 upon 2t outside the bracket. Here you will write minus t to plus t, but here is a square dt. Because this is a DC signal, it means it is actually a constant value from minus infinity to plus infinity. So it is just like this, sir. This is DC value, sir. This is a DC signal. So because the lower limit is minus t to plus t, here also you can apply limit t tends to infinity, 1 upon 2t, a square is outside, integration is t, apply the limit minus t2 plus t. So when you will apply, you will exactly get limit t tends to infinity, a square by 2t, and I know whether you know the answer. Tell me what is the answer, bacha? T into minus t, upper limit minus lower limit. So it will be actually this 2t and 2t get cancel out. So ultimately you will get a square only. A square only. So if anybody will ask about the power of this, it is nothing but a square. So this is again an important note. If a ut power, it is a square by 2. If a power, then a square only. A square only. A square only. So what will be the power of a DC signal, guys? So what will be the power of a DC signal? So DC signal power will be a square by 2 only. Shabash. Sorry, a square only. Similarly, if anybody will ask about what is the power of this signal xt equal to a into e to the power plus j omega 0 t, or it can be a into e to the power minus j omega 0 t. So can you please tell me whether it is energy signal or power signal? Can you please tell me whether it is energy signal or power signal? A e की power minus का j omega 0 t into ut also. ये what is the power of these three signals? First, second, third, or fourth also. xt equal to a into e to the power plus j omega 0 t into ut. Yellow. You should tell me the answer for 1, 2, 3, 4. You should write in chat box ki for first का answer ये, second का ये, like this. अरे like this. शाबाश. Oh. Very good. I think you are replying correct. Very nice. Very nicely you are writing. Nicely. Very good. Second भी any NP. क्या बात है? चलिए. Bharat, you reply. Other student also reply यार. Other student also reply यार. Other student also reply. ये. That is why here is a scope of mistake, and students are doing mistake with full of confidence here. Students are doing mistake with full of confidence here. Full of confidence. Now I will show you what is the difference between e to the power minus at or e to the power minus j omega 0 t. Both are not same. Both are not same. If I talk about its magnitude, e to the power minus at magnitude is nothing but e की power minus at itself. But e to the power minus j omega 0 t magnitude is 1 only. E to the power minus j omega 0 t magnitude is 1. Because when you will take the magnitude e to the power minus j omega 0 t magnitude, it will become 1. Because Euler form. Achha. And you know, in the power formula, we have a magnitude mod of xt whole square, mod of xt whole square, mod of xt whole square. So these all are the bounded signal, all are the power signal, beta, all are the power signal. It is not unbounded. E की power j omega 0 t, when you will take the magnitude of this, you will actually get a. When you will take the magnitude of this, you will get exactly a. When you will take the magnitude of this, you will get exactly a. When you will take the magnitude of this, you will exactly get a ut. When you will get exactly a ut, इसका magnitude be a ut. Now tell me what is the power. Now tell me what is the power. So what is the power now? The power of this is nothing but a square. The power of this is nothing but a square. The power of this is nothing but a square by 2. The power of this is nothing but a square by 2. A ut power क्या होता है? So all are the power signal, not any NP. वेदे ही अरे सर ये तो गजब हो गया सर गजब. Student, this is the beauty of Ankur sir classes, that whatever this content you will never get anywhere, and those you will never get anywhere you will get in Ankur sir classes. That is why we are telling guys, काहे पड़े हो चक्कर में, कोई नहीं है टक्कर में. शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं वेदे. So mistake is the part of learning. Those who are doing mistake here, you should feel happy because you are learning something. Okay, chaliye. So all of you guys do reply, is it completed or not? Till here everything is completed or not? I think till here everything is completed. बोलो बच्चा बोलो, shall we go for next? So I think now there is a difference there. I think now if anybody will ask about कि find out the energy and power of this signal xt equal to twice into e to the power minus 3 omega 0 or e की power twice into e to the power minus 3 jt. Can you please tell me what is the energy or power of this? Can you please tell me what is the energy and power of this? Is it an energy signal or power signal? Now some students write e की power minus ut तो लगा हुआ ही नहीं तो any अरे no बाबा. There is a difference between e की power minus at और e की power minus ajt. j अगर एक्सपोनेंशियल की पावर में j है ना तो वो आयलर फॉर्म है. और आयलर फॉर्म कैसे ओपन होता है? e की पावर a j, e की पावर j थीटा, e की पावर j थीटा, cos थीटा प्लस j sin थीटा, cos थीटा प्लस j sin थीटा. What is the magnitude? Magnitude is under root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Under root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. 1. That is why e की पावर j कभी आ जाए तो मैग्नीट्यूड 1 है. और इसका मैग्नीट्यूड अगर कोई पूछ ले आपको तो मैग्नीट्यूड इसका 2 है. और 2 मैग्नीट्यूड का पावर होता है 2 स्क्वायर. a का पावर a स्क्वायर. तो a e की पावर j ओमेगा 0t का पावर भी a स्क्वायर. तो आंसर इज 2 का होल स्क्वायर 4 ओनली. बोलो प्यारे बच्चों, इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? बोलो बच्चों बोलो, इज इट क्लियर और नॉट? Yes. So student, we'll meet now on Tuesday. Now upcoming class will be on Tuesday, and I hope you all are making the notes parallelly. So those who will get this video है ना later in future after 2 days, after 5 days, after 1 month, you should make the separate notes of signals and you should try to write all the content in a neat and clean way. Very soon after completion of chapter number 1, when you will see your notes, you will be proud on your notes. Yes. So you are so dear student, you have an amazing opportunity to learn here. So try to share your experience to the all juniors as well as your colleagues. एंड स्टूडेंट, अगर आप अपनी गेट प्रिपरेशन में, अगर आप अपने लाइफ के 1-2 साल गेट प्रिपरेशन को देना चाहते हो, पूरा दबा के पूरा मेहनत करना चाहते हो, बड़ा अपना जान लगाना चाहते हो, कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ना चाहते, then student you can join the IMS GATE Academy for the structure GATE preparation for 24-25, because here we have designed a program such like that, so you will get everything whatever is required for the good rank in the upcoming GATE exam. You will get 26 to 30 hard copy of books that we will dispatch to your place. Okay, तो आपको 26 से लेके 30 तक बुक्स मिलने वाला है. You will get 130 plus test series. You will get dedicated doubt solving portal where you can directly attach your doubt. You will get mentorship session, 1-to-1 mentorship session. You will get 750 to 800 plus live teaching hours, and also you will get the e-lectures, recorded lectures. So student, everything IMS GATE Academy providing the dedicated course for the GATE exam itself. It's not like that कि बच्चा अच्छा इस प्रोग्राम कर लो तुम्हारा GATE भी हो जाएगा, ESC भी हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं. Only and only dedicated for the GATE. Because if you are preparing for any particular one exam, your efforts should align for the same only. Because I am talking about ESC, there is some change in the approach. So that is why if you are planning for the GATE only, then you must join the classes which is only dedicated for the particular exam, GATE exam. Chali. Now student, that's all from today's session. We'll meet very soon in the upcoming session. I have asked one question to you. Do you want that we should start the practice question series? Practice question series, how many of you want? If you want to practice of questions of control signal digitals, then I am planning to start a ISRO PYQ, because ISRO scientist vacancy is there and we have an exam in the nearby upcoming months. So that is why I am planning to start. So GATE 24 is saying yes sir. So I am planning to start from evening, from after 2 or 3 days we are going to start from next Tuesday, and the timing will be 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So is this comfortable to you? 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. is it comfortable to you all guys? 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Because morning 11 a.m. to 12 we are having signals and system. So in evening we are having a question practice. बोलो 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 6 से 7 comfortable है क्या time? Can we start 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.? Yes sir. Gate 24 is saying yes sir. शाबाश. चलो बच्चों, very good, very nice. Very nice. So guys, that's all from today's class. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet very soon in the upcoming class. Okay. And from Tuesday onwards, we are having 2 YouTube live session daily with Ankur sir. Morning 11 a.m. to 12 and evening 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. also. Okay, bacha. Chalo. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.